6-minute 100 days drawing challenge. And we are in episode number 54. So let's get started. Today we are going to draw a bee. First, we draw this little circle over here. Circle. And here, and one more eye. And can connect these and make a face. And then a big line. And from here like this. Whoa, that's big body. Ooh, and then this is also going to be a big one. And one more. And you guys what this is? Can you guess it? No? You are going to find out soon. Now time to draw the inner part of the eyes. And then color them in. Color them in. And then make a smiling face. And draw a small line here. Let's wait for a moment. One line here. One more line here. Then one more line here. And one more line over here. And we're drawing small lines. And one more line here, and one more line here. Yay! We're done with the lines. That was a lot of lines. Now can you guess what it is? Can you? I guess you can. And you are right. It's a honeybee. It's a correct. It's a honeybee. Type of a honeybee. What different type of bee? Humblebee. I named it. And now this. And one more. And now we are going to color this in. It's going to be a lot of coloring. We are done. So bye friend, and see you in the next video. And do not forget to like and subscribe the channel and share your drawings with the notification. Bye bye. See you in episode number 55.